Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your business name and address on your Google Ads account. This is essential when your business relocates or you need to update your billing information to keep everything accurate and compliant. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns and account settings. Now, direct your attention to the left navigation bar where you'll find various menu options. Look for the billing menu and click on it. This section houses all your payment methods, transaction history, and account details. After clicking on billing, the menu will expand to reveal several additional options. From this expanded menu, locate and click on Settings. This is where you can manage your billing preferences and update important account information like your business address. The billing settings page will load, giving you access to configure how your account handles payments and displays your business details. Once you're in the billing settings, you'll see different tabs and sections. Look for the one labeled Payer Details and click on it. This tab will expand to show you all the information related to the account holder, including the current business name and address registered with Google Ads. It's important to ensure this information is up to date, as it appears on your invoices and billing statements. Within the expanded Payer Details section, scan through the information until you find the organization address field. You'll notice a small pen icon next to it, which serves as the Edit button. Go ahead and click on this pen icon. This action will unlock the address fields, allowing you to make changes. The fields will become editable, and you'll be able to type in your new business address directly. Now, you can update the address to reflect your current business location. Make sure to fill in all the required fields accurately, including street address, city, state or province, and postal code. Double-check for any typos or errors, as this information needs to be precise for billing and legal purposes. Once you've entered your desired organization address and verified that everything looks correct, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a Save button waiting for you there. Click on Save to confirm and apply your changes. And that's it. Your business name and address have now been updated in your Google Ads account, ensuring your billing information stays current and accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.